Hello, Andy. I'm Madhvi Reddy. I'm certified financial planner. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming up with a very good concept called one-to-one or end-to-end solutions, training solutions in stock market trading. So nowadays we are seeing people are showing very much interested in stock markets as they had seen in just 3 months markets have almost recovered 30% and stocks almost covered 40-50% in just 3 months. So during this lockdown so many accounts have been opened and so many people are taking the interest of in this stock market. So for them we are providing certain training solutions in this trading strategies. So the main objective of that, let's not get into the grouping or clubbing the people all participant in one single class where their experiences are different and their educational backgrounds are different and their objective is different. So beyond that, their budgets and the convenience and the timings so on and the mode, they some people wanted to have online, some people wanted to have offline. So for that we'll decided like let's have one-to-one and end-to-end solutions for the training solutions in the stock market. So for them we have come up with unique concept called this making a training plan which suits your objective as per your time and convenience and the mode. So the topics what we covered, and before we get into the topics, and I will cover what are the credentials we are having it as an USP. Like we have 8 years of experience in this stock market trading, and Ramesh is one of CFA, and he's also having a full time trader and having experience in the technical analysis and quant analysis, about 13 years of 13 years of experience. So it is always advisable to go for the training to those people who are continuously trading, so that they can share their experience in every stage of every swing of market mood they can experience. So that will be shared to the participants. So that is our experience. We are live traders, so that you can make most of that of to become a successful trader. And quick learning, so the training programs have starts with 1 day, minimum 1 day to 30 days you can take up there is a quick learning options also is available. Just you wanted to learn a particular concept like open interest you wanted to learn, or you wanted to learn MACD, or you wanted to learn only the candlestick. So you can just finish in 1 or 2 days and can start your trading. And our suggestion is please do whatever you learn, even a small strategy also. So please keep it in practice immediately, otherwise it will not be much useful. And even after training program will give the back support, so that while training you will get so many differences between what you have learned and what you are applying in real time market. So for that you need not to worry, we are there to give you the backup support also. So now the training concepts we have divided so that you can understand what are the levels are there and what to understand and what to learn as per your objective. So the quick look of that, first the basic training stock market level is there. The people who don't know anything about the stock markets, like IT people and BTech background people, and some people who never had any experience in the stock market. So for them we have offering a basic level of training. For that, in that it includes clearing and settlement, which software to use. Nowadays so many platforms are there like Nest, Vodin, Fast Trade, Kite, Trade Tiger. So there are so many softwares are available. So what would be the best? And there are so many segments like equity, intraday, futures, options. So what would be the best option to start with or do with as per your risk taking ability? And behavioral science is very important. Before you getting into the trading, you should understand the risk management, in which segment what are the risks are there, and how to control the emotions, and how to make the strip stop losses, and having a discipline in trading is most important. And the fundamentals also we do cover, like EPS, PE ratios and forward PE ratios, and how much is that book value ratio. So much of fundamentals also we do cover, and exchanges limitations and clearing and settlement, risk reward balances. So all those things will be covered under first topic for the entrance. And second one is technicals. So the people who have these particular segment is for the people who have already have got some hands-on experience in the trading, maybe 6 months to 1 year. They are just doing trading by listening to the YouTube channels or some books or reading by books and all. So for them, we wanted to give you some indicators to learn before you get into more advanced trainings. For stock selection, first everyone has to start with stock selection. So while doing stock selections, indicators are there like volume, patterns, candlesticks, and averages. Once you're done with the stock selection, now you have to wait for the confirmation. Like you have selected SBI, so you have to wait for the confirmation to get into the trade. So for that, you can use RSI, MACD, crossovers, ADX, and then after you got the confirmation, the trade management is there, like where to put the target, stop losses, and entry points, and by using ATR, BB bands, and support resistance levels, all these things, and then exit indicators like reversal patterns. So for that, it will be complete training on the technicals about your trading objective. And the people especially who are into these derivatives like futures and options, they have to learn the price range, volumes, open interest, volatility indicators. All those is really helpful and must for the traders who are in this futures and options. And the next one is quant analysis. This is especially for the people who don't want to into this learning the trade lines and trend lines and the candlestick patterns and all, but they wanted to have very much big quick indicators like making some 50 points or 50 upside or downside limited. They are very much clear about the target and as well as the exit points. So for them, it is really need to understand the moving averages, Fibonacci series, risk rewards, momentum indicators are really helpful. And next segment is for option strategies. The people nowadays we are seeing are doing a lot of trading in the options. For them, it is there to understand there are so many option strategies, but you have to understand where to apply, when to apply. There are bull trends are there, bear trend will be there. Sometimes there won't be no trend, sometimes there would be no marketing indicators like that, completely flat market, and sometimes huge high volatility. So based on that, you have to make the script selection, strike selection, in the money option, out the money option. So many strike prices are there, quantity selections, how many lots you need to take, and you want to become a buyer side or the writer side, or you want to take a call option, your put option. So many things are there to understand for the people who are into this option strategies. For them, there is a bull call spread, bear put spread, straddle, strangle, insurance call, insurance put, covered call, covered put, collar, butterflies, ratio spreads. So many are there to understand. And next strategies is especially for the advanced, the people who are already have hands-on experience in the trading around 5 years or 6 years. So for them, it is go for some advanced, especially the people who are having HNIs and some good amount of money, and they are especially now in the hedging way of trading they wanted to do. For them, there is models like swing trading, hedging strategies, scalping, statistical arbitrage, Greeks hedging, high frequency trading, quant models, arbitrage strategies. So many things are there. So for them to understand the advanced models in the trading. And nowadays it's very popular that expiry strategies, that hero ya zero call is becoming very popular, and on especially on bank nifty and nifty on weekly expiry. So apart from that, like people buying at 5 rupees and it might go to zero or it might go to 500 rupees, so we don't know. So for them, it is really need to understand to take either weekly expiry and monthly expiry and hero ya zero call, how to manage this risk and reward ratios, and whether to be on the buy side or you wanted to be a selling side of the option, or the time gaining strategies are very important, and time value understanding is also important while you are doing the expiry trades. And the final one, the people who are investing also, the example, the people are not interested in the trading, but they are very much into investing patterns. So for them also, they have to understand certain strategies like in investing to make some good returns on their delivery based buying, especially SIP stock investments, like every fall how much average they have to do it, and continuous return on holding stocks, how can make this continuous, they are having in delivery, they are having in their demat account some stocks on that, how they can money continue, can make a continuous money on that. There are certain strategies are there, and how to get returns from the IPOs, and how to get returns on the basis of splits and bonus or buybacks are happening in the companies. So all these strategies also is useful for the people who are, even they are not traders, but even for the investors also. So all these things are there to help you all, for the people who are into stock market related investors or traders. Please do call us, and please do WhatsApp us. There are one-to-one training plan also, we will make it for your at your convenience time, and at your kind of mode what you want, online, yeah, offline, yeah, live, or with kind of technicals, what kind of things that you wanted to learn. Based on that, your budget, time frame, even it we can complete within even a span of 1 day to 1 month also, the ranges it starts. So please do call us, and do take trading of yourself, and happy trading. Thank you.